Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a 1993 Defender 90 that we've upgraded with added functionality, but also upgraded the sound in the vehicle too. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So let's start off by talking about the actual sound in the vehicle, which was so important to this customer. That's why he booked an audio consultation with us, and I actually sat down, designed and spec'd the system to exactly this, and we've gone for an absolutely spectacular system in this car. So obviously, with the vehicle being of its age, it's obviously used as a commercial on this occasion. However, it's gone to sort of kind of transform the vehicle bit by bit, and that's exactly why we've done this initial setup. Basically, the sound in the vehicle, he already had some speakers up in the headlining. What we've done is reutilize that space and added in a Audison Prima 5-inch speaker into that location using custom speaker adapters. Then what we've also done is made speaker adapters to mount 5-inch Prima speakers as well in underneath the dashboard. Plus we've also had brought in the actual rear speaker kit that allows for another 5-inch set in the rear. So in essence, we've got 3 sets of the Audison Prima 5-inch coaxial speaker. Coaxial speaker basically means the tweeter is built into the actual driver itself. They perform really nicely in this vehicle. Plus these are all run off an amplifier, which in an ideal world is how we always want to run a system. The system is basically run off an audio control 6-channel amp, a phenomenal amp. This system absolutely rocks. In terms of the system that we've got as well, we've also added in a sub underneath the actual armrest itself in a custom location. Plus we've upgraded the actual functionality in the vehicle using something called an Alpine Halo 9. That's featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, plus what we've also done is relocated a lot of those switches as well, live directly now onto the dashboard into a custom panel. So loads of work being done to the vehicle. We're really happy with the overall sound. I'm sure the customer's going to be over the moon with the finished product. He's going to be picking up the car very shortly, and we're going to go through a run through of everything that we've done, exactly how it all worked, so the customer knows exactly how it all was set up and also how to adjust anything if he wants to, and we go through all of that during the handover procedure. Overall, really happy with everything. So we've got 3 sets of Prima speakers, all running fully active off an audio control 6-channel amp. And then we've also got the functionality featuring CarPlay, we've also got Android Auto there, plus also we've got DAB options as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and we look forward to seeing you soon.